got a little resistor, it's CAN bus error free so you don't get any issue on your dashboard, and there's no bolt to replace. These number plate lights here, if you got the original SL, the covers on them start to leak and they become really brittle, and the bulbs inside can actually start to get corrosion. So you can actually remove them from the outside really easily, and I bought these upgraded ones. You've got to remember, when these cars were made, they didn't have LEDs like they do in today's world. So it's a really good idea, and I think it's a great upgrade just to kind of freshen up the rear. And you can use these here. Now these, I'll put a link, got them from Amazon, and it's the SL light. I think they use them on other Mercedes as well, but on the back there you can see it's got a little resistor. It's CAN bus error free so you don't get any issue on your dashboard, but you get a lovely nice clean light, and there's no bolt to replace. These two round little contacts there just mimic the old festoon bulb. You just simply plug and play. Use the old screws from your old light. They do have a direction that they fit. The square part goes towards the outside of the car. Okay, moment of truth, let's see what they look like. So there you go. What do you think? Straightforward. You could do that job in a minute. And the best thing about it is there's no bulb to change. The LEDs will last you a lifetime. You get a better, whiter light, which looks a little bit newer, makes the car look fresher at the back. And it's a lot cheaper than going to Mercedes and buying the original plastic covers with the separate bulbs as well. So if you look on the dashboard, so importantly here on the dash, there's no warning message. We don't have any CAN bus error messages.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.